Welcome to OnePoint Projects tutorials. In this video, we will talk about OnePoint's unique bidirectional integration with Atlassian's Jira. First of all, we want to give you a quick overview of how the integration works in general. Depending on your requirements, you will want to work with what we call Jira Aggregated or Jira Executed projects. Let's start with Jira Aggregated projects. These projects only provide a one-way synchronization from Jira to OnePoint. The projects are planned and executed in Jira, but controlled in OnePoint. Jira Executed projects, on the other hand, feature a two-way synchronization. Typically, project managers plan and control the project in OnePoint, whereas project contributors, often software developers or quality engineers, execute the project in Jira. Time tracking is generally possible in both Jira and OnePoint, but you will have to opt for one of the two systems. Usually, time tracking takes place in Jira, often with the Tempo plugin. Now we will have a closer look at a typical workflow for a Jira executed project in OnePoint. Usually, issues, as well as improvement and feature requests, are collected in Jira. These issues are automatically transferred to OnePoint. By planning the project in OnePoint, the project manager can perform explicit scheduling and visual resource planning. Also, a formal project decision can be documented, and even an ultralight workflow can optionally be enabled. The project then gets executed in Jira, where tracked time and progress, as well as status changes, get automatically synced back to OnePoint. This way, all project controlling and status reporting can take place in OnePoint without entering any information twice. Even a formal project closure is possible. So what are the main benefits of OnePoint's bidirectional integration with Jira? First of all, agile project execution becomes possible in a traditional standards-based project management environment. Everyone involved in the project can continue to use the preferred tool without having to enter any information twice. Visual resource planning, resource utilization analysis, status reporting, and much more becomes possible for Jira projects. Finally, top management gets one clear and consistent overview across all projects, agile, traditional, and Jira projects. Decision-making has never been easier. Start now with OnePoint's PPM solution. Get your free trial at www.onepoint-projects.com.